How to tie a tie, easy step-by-step guide. Types of tie knots, various knots for different formality, style, and difficulty levels. Choice depends on the suit or shirt you're wearing. Full Windsor knot, polished triangular shape, suitable for job interviews and social occasions. Best with spread collar shirts, easy to tie. Half Windsor knot, triangular and symmetrical shape, works well with wider, medium weight ties. Slightly smaller than the full Windsor, easy to tie. 4-in-hand knot, works well with wide neckties and heavy fabrics. Attractive with standard button-down dress shirts. Trinity knot, stylish and complex design, suitable for formal functions. Gradual progression for those comfortable with basic knots. Pratt knot, thinner than Windsor, ideal for lightweight to medium weight ties. Stylish look for any dress shirt, easy to tie. Kelvin knot, uncommon but easy to learn, creates a polished look. Sets you apart from the crowd with a unique style. Eldridge knot, intricate design, makes a bold statement. Fashioned entirely from the narrow portion, a bit more complex. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.